English Club. Welcome back to Online English Club. English Grammar. Past simple tense. Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to our English grammar lesson. Today we'll speak about the past simple tense. The past simple tense is used to talk about actions or events that happened at a specific time in the past. For example, he drank a cup of coffee this morning. She visited her grandparents last month. To form a positive sentence in the past simple tense, we use the second form of the verb for irregular verbs. Awake, awoke, be, was, were, beat, beat, become, became. For example, we went to the cinema last week. He did his homework yesterday. To form a positive sentence in the past simple tense, we add the ending ed to the base form of the verb for regular verbs. Watch, watched, listen, listened, play, played. If the verb ends in a vowel or a voiced consonant L, N, M, B, G, Z, S, V, then the ed ending sounds like d. Call, called, clean, cleaned, love, loved, use, used, enjoy, enjoyed. If the verb ends in an unvoiced consonant P, K, F, H, S, H, C, H, C, X, then the ed ending sounds like t. Help, helped, wash, washed, look, looked, laugh, laughed, fix, fixed. If the verb ends in a d or a t, the ed ending is pronounced like id. Want, wanted, need, needed. For example, we cleaned our room yesterday. He fixed his car last week. The rules for adding ed. If the verb ends in e, you add d, like, liked, agree, agreed. If a verb ends in a vowel and a consonant, the consonant is usually doubled before ed. Stop, stopped, plan, planned. If a verb ends in a consonant and y, you take out the y and add ied. Dry, dried, cry, cried. But if the word ends in a vowel and y, you add ed. Play, played, enjoy, enjoyed. Mark is for the past simple. Yesterday, last week, 2 days ago, in 2005, a long time ago, in my childhood, in the 19th century. To create a negative sentence, we use the auxiliary verb did not or didn't plus the base form of the verb. For example, they didn't go to the party. She didn't finish the project on time. To form a question, we use the auxiliary verb did at the beginning of the question. We follow it with the base form of the verb. Did we clean our room yesterday? Did he fix his car last week? Let's do the test. We played football yesterday. A. Play. B. Plays. D. Played. C. Played. He watched TV yesterday. A. Watch. B. Watched. C. Watches. B. Watched. We played tennis last month. A. Played. B. Played. C. Played. A. Played. He not visit his uncle yesterday. A. Don't visit. B. Didn't visit it. C. Didn't visit. C. Didn't visit. He visited a museum last year. A. Do. B. Does. C. Did. C. Did. She studied English last year. A. Studied. B. Studied. C. Studied. A. Studied. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe.